Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to Fun Mathology. Now, today's topic is how to convert fractions into decimals by long division method. Now, in the last class, we converted fraction into decimals where the fractions had denominators like 10, 100, 1000, etc. Now, today we'll learn a universal method to convert fractions into decimals, that is by long division method. Got it? So by the end of this lecture, you will be able to convert any fractions like proper or improper into a decimal using this simple division process. Got it? So see, let's have a recap, right? So let's start. Let's have a recap. Like you know that a fraction is equal to what? Numerator divided by the denominator. So you know it, you have studied. Now we'll find decimal by just dividing the numerator by the denominator. Got it? It's a simple division, but there is a trick we'll learn. It is an extended version of division. So fraction is equal to numerator and divided by denominator. So we'll just do a simple division of numerator divided by the denominator. So let's take an example like convert 55 by 4 into decimal, right? Now students, pause the video and take a very closer look at these steps. Like step 1, divide the numerator by the denominator till the remainder is less than the denominator. Got it? So this is the first step. Divide the numerator by the denominator till the remainder is less than the denominator. So we got to divide 55 by 4 till we have a remainder less than the denominator. So let's check it out. So we'll do like this. So we write 55 in the dividend, 4 is the divisor, okay? So 4 ones are 4 minus 1. Next the 5 comes down. So 4 3s are 12 minus 3 is the remainder. See, 3 is the remainder, is less than the denominator. So 3 is less than 4. Now go to the step 2. So what is step 2? Place a decimal point in the quotient. So we have put a decimal point in the quotient, and in the dividend add a 0 after it. Got it? So add a 0 after it. So place a decimal point in the quotient, and in the dividend add a 0. So we added a 0 after it. So it was 55. We have put a decimal in the quotient and added a 0 after the dividend. Now bring it down, bring the 0 down beside the remainder. So it's 30. Again try to divide it. So 4 7s are 28. Got it? 4 7s are 28. So remainder is again 2, which is less than 4. Now bring down zeros as per needed. So step 3 is bring down zeros or add zeros as per needed. Okay, so bring down zeros as per needed or add zeros as per needed. So we need another 0. Now how long we are going to do like this? So see, stop if the remainder is 0, or stop if there is a repeating pattern. Got it? So stop when you have a remainder 0, or stop if there is a repeating pattern. So let's add a 0. So we have added a 0. So bring it down again like before. So it's 20. So 4 5s are 20. So see, so the remainder is 0. So the answer will be, so the answer will be 13.75. See, 55 by 4 the answer is 13.75, which is a decimal number. Now what kind of decimal number this is? We have studied before. This is a terminating. So this is a terminating. So this is a terminating decimal, right? Why? Because it ends after a certain point. So 0.75. So it's finished. So that is why it's known as terminating decimal, because it ends after a certain digit. So 13.75. So students, you have followed this long division method. It's very easy, right? So step 1, divide the numerator by the denominator till the remainder is less than the denominator. Now once you got it, place a decimal point in the quotient and add a 0 after the dividend. Bring it down, again divide, and go on this process and bring down zeros as per needed till your remainder is 0, or your remainder has a repetitive pattern that you can't break and it goes on till infinity. Got it? You need to stop there. So in this particular example, we have ended because we got the remainder 0, and this answer is 13.75 here in this example, and this is terminating decimal. Got it? So let's take a few more examples. Let's take few more examples, okay? Now this is example 2. So this is example 2. So we'll take 3 by 8. Now see, now this particular example 55 by 4, this was a proper fraction, right? 55 by 4, sorry, a 55 by 4 was an improper fraction because you could convert this into mixed fraction. So we have taken a improper fraction as an example, first example. Now we'll take a proper fraction as an example. So 3 by 8 is a proper fraction. Now how to do it? So see, as in the first example, as it was a improper fraction, so see, there was a whole number because improper fractions are all greater than 1. So see, 13.75. Now proper fractions are all less than 1, you know it. So let's take this example 3 by 8. And how to do it? Very simple, we'll do it in the same way. 8 is the divisor. In the dividend we'll take 3. Now 3 is less than 8, so we can't do it. Straight away put a decimal point here in the quotient. We'll start with a decimal point here. So before the decimal there is nothing. Why? Because it is a proper fraction. It will have no whole number. So we'll start with decimal. Now add a 0 after the dividend. Now see, so 8 sevens are, sorry, now 8 threes are 24. So subtract this one will be 6. Now add again 0 as per needed, as I told you. So bring it down. Now why we are doing this? Because 6, we got a remainder which is less than the divisor or the denominator. So we add a 0 and we bring it down. Again try to see it. 56, right? 4. Again we add a 0 and we bring it down. So it's 40. So 8 5s are 40. Got it? So what is this? This is 3 7 5. Okay. So 3 8s are 24. So minus is 6, 60. 8 7s are 56. 40. 8 5s are. So the answer will be, 0.375. Okay. Add a 0 before point. So it indicates there is no whole number. So see, we have done again in a long division method. In this case we have taken a proper fraction, okay, and the answer is 0.375. Got it? So let's take another example, example 3. So this is 1 by 3 again, so it's a proper fraction. So we'll do it, see, 3, and we'll take 1 here. So put a decimal to start with. Add a 0 after the dividend. So 3 3s are 9. So 1 is the remainder, less than the denominator. So add another 0, bring it down, it becomes 10. Divide it, again it becomes 9. 1, add another 0, bring it down. So see, nothing is happening, right? So the pattern keeps on repeating. So we'll end here, we'll stop here as I said. So the answer will be 0.333 dot dot dot. So this is a non-terminating. So this is a non-terminating. So this is a non-terminating repeating decimals. Repeating decimals. Got it? So this is a non-terminating. You cannot terminate it. It goes till infinity. So this is a non-terminating repeating decimal, right? So student, so try this. I guess you have followed this very simple method. If you have any questions, let me know. Write in the comment box and I'll answer them, okay? So now, if you have followed the lecture and the method is a very simple method, try this one out at home. 2 by 5, 3 by 8 and 5 by 6, right? So there are 3 problems. Try them out and let me know the answers. So in the next class, so we are ending the lecture here. So in the next class, we'll learn conversion of decimals into fractions. Okay? Okay students, thanks for watching. We'll soon meet. Bye bye.